All right, hello everybody, I'm back with another video. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to change my air filter to this air filter. Now you have your regular air filters, which are cheap. You can definitely go for one of those, but they're not reusable. This one is washable and reusable. So I got it online. I think it was like $30 or something like that. I forgot exactly. I'll put it in the video, but yeah, it's a Spectra, Speed by Spectra. It's not your best, it's not your most expensive, but I was just looking for something that was washable so I can make sure that it's always clean and washable. Because right now the issue that I'm having is my car seems to like vibrate a little bit too much once I'm in drive, like when I'm at a stoplight or when I'm at a, just about anywhere I need to stop the cars on drive. If I put the car on parking, it slows down the vibrations. If I put it on neutral, it also slows down the vibrations. But while I'm driving at a stoplight, it shakes. So I'm thinking maybe there's something to do with my air intake. Maybe it's struggling to get a little bit of air because the old one is old and used up. So let's change this and see if that fixes it. So I don't have to go to the next step, which would be motor mounts. Motor mounts would be a pain in the butt because I think there's about 4 motor mounts in these 1991 Honda Accords. There's a transmission one as well, and that would take a lot of time that I don't have. So let's open this up really quick. I had opened this previously. It came with a bag, but I took the bag out. So here it is. You can blow through it. You can feel the air goes right through it pretty well. You can see through the little lines in between. It feels pretty solid. So let's go put it on, guys. Okay, so pretty simple. This is your air intake. It has a hose, some kind of tube coming down over here to the front. It connects to your manifold. Anyways, I'm gonna take off these screws right here. And we gotta loosen this one right here. It's gonna pop off, and then we put this one in. All right, so this right here is my old filter. I just took it out of there. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty. You can tell it has age. It's the same size, so we're good on that. Let's just make sure we put this right in there. Fits perfect. Now let's put back the cover, make sure it goes in. Screw it back on, and you're good. All right. Quick video right now, so I'll add a little bit more. All right. So here's my car. Did a little updates. Got some new wheels recently. Pretty big wheels on some 14-inch trims. See, the tire's huge. I put an electrical fan. That was the easy installation. All I did was hook it up with some tape here for now until I get a crimpler and put another connection on it. Other than that, the car is looking good. All right, guys. So excuse the little beeping. That is my passenger side seatbelt sensor. It doesn't work, so it just keeps on beeping as if it didn't have the seatbelt on. Even if I put the seatbelts on and when nobody's sitting there. Yeah, anyways. New air filter. I'm running the car right now. Does it feel faster? No. Does it feel more responsive? No. But do I have a peace of mind now knowing that the old filter was dirty and cheap? Yeah, I feel pretty good about it. Let's look at it again over here. Look at this. It's dirty, right? You can tell it's dirty. It's going to the trash. New one is a lot better quality. Slowly getting the car together, putting some good parts in it. Sometimes I put cheap parts on it, I'm not gonna lie. But most of the time I just want to put some really good stuff in it. Make sure the car lasts another 30 years. That would be the goal. So thank you guys for watching. I'll make another video soon, okay? Have a good day. quick update before I end the video. Got my car detailed as well. Anyways, did the shaking of the car stop? No. Next thing I need to do is check the motor mount. So that'll be most likely one of the next videos when I either check them or get some new ones to replace them with.